TV, the most powerful marketing channel. Number one in effectiveness, number one in trust, number one in emotion. But TV is also expensive, difficult to scale, and hard to measure. So, we flipped the traditional agency model on its head. Introducing all-inclusive TV advertising from Marketing Architects. You get one bill for media. We cover everything else, everything you need to succeed. From brand positioning and strategy, creative pre-testing and production, to campaign attribution and reporting. So say goodbye to hourly agency fees and say hello to making TV work harder than ever. With all-inclusive TV from Marketing Architects.